my name is Ashton Johnson Montero. So my profession was basically, I was interested in CA and I was pursuing it in the side. So as my articleship was going on, I had a few thoughts of whether I should continue with it or not. So I was looking for the next best opportunity on what else I can do as I'm doing my articleship. And I came across this course called CMA, and I had Miles approach my college some years back, roughly 4 or 5 years back when I was doing my college. So I just recalled that, and one of my friends told me that they're good because he was studying there. So he gave me the referral link and asked me to join with Miles. I had the bundle which was going above my head, like literally for my seated position, it was roughly so much. So it was, I got used to it. So when I got the Miles book, that is like such a small package of like 2 books, it was very encouraging, I can say, because I was like, I can do this because I have covered that, then this should be a piece of cake. So there are even certain lectures where in the video they are just going through the book. The book is in front of you, highlighting those right live. So you have the option to directly solve the MCQs right on your phone, on your laptops, whichever device you're using. So all you need is a calculator, that is another app, or it's there on your window, I can say. So all you have to do is use your brain, solve, go ahead. And these are all MCQs. And as and when you solve incorrect answer, or a correct answer, you will get what is the correct answer with an explanation. He tries to make every concept simpler by either making it into an abbreviation or anything, or sometimes even the way he talks, he tries to make it dramatic just so that it comes to your mind that when you read that particular topic, you will just remember him talking. All you need to do is just like solve. Keep on solving till the point you get good at solving very quickly. As and when you solve, if you don't get anything perfect, don't be discouraged. You need to understand the point that sometimes it's not just getting every answer correct, sometimes it's getting as many questions as possible, because you will get marks from every other question and there are no negative markings. So that is all on your favor. CMA matlab Miles.